Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is algebraic expansion identities. So in this video I will explain you that how and where you have to use algebraic identities. So first identity is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and second identity is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the thing is where we have to use these type of identities. So let me explain you, like if you have a question x plus 2 whole square, you cannot open it like x square plus 2 square. That is wrong, because according to indices rule we cannot open the brackets of plus and minus like that. So here we have to use identities. We can just open these brackets with these identities in plus and minus. Like if this would be the question of multiplication like that, then we can open it like x square multiplied by 2 square. That is correct. But in addition and subtraction, just remember this rule. In addition and subtraction, you cannot open the brackets directly without using these identities. You can just open the brackets by using these identities. So let's solve a question like this is a question x plus 2 whole square. So how we'll solve it? X is a and b is 2. So a plus b whole square, this becomes a plus b whole square, so you will use this identity number 1. So how you will open it? A square, first you will write a square, then 2ab, then b square. So a square is x square plus 2, then ab, put the brackets of a, then b, then plus b square, b bracket and then square. Now we have to fill it, like a is x, b is 2, and here also b is 2. So you will just solve x square means x square, you will multiply 2x multiplied by 2, 2 multiply x multiply 2 will become 4x, and then 2 square is 4. So that will be your answer. This is the way that how you can open these type of brackets like of addition and subtraction. Okay, again the second example, 2x plus 5 whole square. Again you will open this bracket by using first type of identity, that is a plus b whole square, because this is plus here. So if this would be a subtraction sign here, then you will use second identity, that is a minus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is equal to, now how you will open it? A is 2x, and b is 5. So a square plus 2 a b plus b square. So a is 2x, b is 5, and here also b is 5. We will just solve it. 2x square is 4x square, 2 multiply 2x multiply 5 is 2 to the 4, 5 4s are 20x, when 5 square is 25. So this will be your final, you can say, answer. Okay, so let's solve third type of question. So you can see that here you have to use the second type of second identity, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, because this is minus sign in between these two terms. So how you will open it? A square, this is a, this is b. You will just ignore the sign, b will be just positive 3, because नेगेटिव साइन आप पहले यूज कर लेते हैं, लाइक ए स्क्वेयर माइनस 2 ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वेयर. In negative, if there is negative sign in your question, don't forget to use here negative sign. So what we will do here now? A is x and b will be negative 3 or 3. So as I told you that b will be positive 3, because negative sign आपका पहले use हो जाता है, because many students get confused here that whether we have to use here negative 3 or positive 3. So just you have to ignore the sign, you have to take just 3 here and 3 also here and square as it is. बिकॉज नेगेटिव साइन आपका पहले यूज हो जाता है यहाँ पे. ओके, नाउ यू विल जस्ट सॉल्व इट. एक्स स्क्वेयर minus 6x plus 3 3 are 9. So this is the way how you will open these brackets. So again I will explain you that you cannot open these type of brackets in which there is the sign of addition or subtraction but you can see directly. You have to open these brackets just from identities, just by using identities, these two identities. So I hope you like my video, and I hope this video will help you to clear your concepts. So if you like it, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, you can leave in comment section. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.